Okay, a quick video on how to create fancy health bars. Let's go ahead and do one of the boring ones first. So I'm going to create a new canvas. And to the canvas, we'll go and add a slider. UI, slider. And we have to do some customization here. Let's go ahead and change the size. Something a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. Looks about right. And we'll go ahead and change the color. And this little handle side bar thing, we don't need that. Okay, let's go and do our Photoshop part. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Go to Photoshop, open a new canvas, paste that down. Let's zoom in a little bit. Some junk here and there. I'm gonna go and create a new layer. And this is Photoshop Elements. I don't have a license for the big one. So on top of this, I'm gonna create a new primitive overlay on top of this. Actually, I could probably just do in the new layer. Let's go and do a stroke. Go on a kind of a silvery color maybe. Go to a new layer. And this is where we're going to do all our mergey stuff. So first we want a little shadow of this. So we'll just set our color to white. And we're going to make a primitive that, let's do a rounded rectangle. It's a little bit inside. Apologize, I'm using a roller ball, makes it a little bit tougher. And then change the opacity level. Looks good. I'm going to right click and simplify this layer. It's basically the same as rasterize. Now create yet another layer on top of this, and we're just going to draw a line. I said about 9 pixels here, but that's should be fine. It's going to go here and drag all the way across. Roughly a little bit below the glint. It's good. I'm going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Okay, looks good. Now, I'm going to go and merge all these layers. Merge layers. I'm going to chop off the extra bleed. Now it's all separate from a different layer. Now I'm going to paste it down exactly to its container size. Copy that. Create a new document. And that is our stroke. Save that as. Okay, I'm going to go back and drag that image into our project. Now you can't use the image right away. You have to convert it to a sprite. Click it in the inspector. Change the default texture type to 2D sprite and UI. And apply. And let's go back to our canvas. And we're going to add an image on top of slider. UI, image. Now the sprite, it has nothing in the image, so it's a big white square. And you can see this guy's ready to go with a little arrow. Whoa. Image. Drag him into the sprite holder. The source image. And it just needs some scaling. So let's go ahead and scale it down. First, let's take both of those and jam those into the upper, say right. Hold the Alt key down. Click this. And let's go upper right. And the slider. Hold down the Alt key, upper right. And let's scale it to fit. And that is it. That's how you jazz up your standard controls by doing a little glint overlay, and should add a little bit more than the generic controls you have. All right, cool. Hope this helped. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.